G'day, here's a large piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's from the Winton area mine around main side, I believe. Rules in millimetres and materials wetted to help highlight the colours there. It's quite nice colour through here, through the middle. Whether that's on the top or whether it goes right through, it's hard to tell without grinding it. It's just been cut off a big boulder. You'll have to make up a decision of what you want to do with it. There's colour down here as well. Over here, a bit. Like I say, whether some of this comes off or not, I don't know. Until you actually start to grind it, it's hard to tell. But there's quite a big stone in the middle here. Got a flake coming off there. Whether it goes under or not, I don't know. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it will grind out. Sorry. Over here it changes from pinks and purples to greens under here. Electric green down the bottom there. Quite a nice big piece. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.